In today's video, I'll show you how to remove objects from photos in Canva using Canva's AI tools. By the end, you'll know how to clean up any picture by erasing distractions and letting the AI blend everything smoothly. Start by opening your image in Canva. Upload your own photo or pick one from Canva's library, then click it to bring up the editing toolbar. Next, select Edit Photo to open the side panel. Scroll until you find the magic eraser under Tools or AI Editing. If it isn't visible immediately, continue scrolling because it's grouped with Canva's AI features. Once you open Magic Eraser, adjust the brush size using the slider. Use a smaller brush for tight edges and a larger one for big or simple areas. Now brush over the object you want to remove, covering all parts including edges and shadows. Zoom in if you need more precision. After releasing the brush, wait a moment while Canva processes the edit. The AI will remove the brushed object and blend the background automatically. Review the result to see if it looks natural. If needed, refine by brushing again, adjusting the brush size, or pressing undo to retry. Sometimes multiple small passes create a cleaner finish than one heavy swipe, especially on complicated backgrounds or textured surfaces. Keep checking your work by zooming in and out to ensure the area looks consistent with the rest of the image. Once you're satisfied with the edit, save your changes. You can keep the modified version in your uploads or download it to your device for use in other projects. Canva's Magic Eraser makes removing unwanted objects fast and simple, even for beginners. With just a few careful strokes, you can clean up photos and create polished images for social media, presentations, or personal projects. This tool is ideal for removing photobombers, clutter signs, or anything that distracts from your subject. With practice, you'll get quicker and more precise every time.